Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy S8 and let me show you how to record slow motion video at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode, so we have to change it. Let's do it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right. Here, as you can see, we can pick super slow motion mode and also slow motion, so you can stay on whatever you need. Now let me pick, for example, this one to show you how it works. And now we can simply start recording this type of video by using the big shutter button at the center. So let's start. And now let's stop by tapping again on shutter button. To see the video, we have to go to left one that follows us straight to the gallery. And this is how the slow motion video looks like at this device. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.